It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm starting a two-part series on how to get veggies into your breakfast. A friend of mine eats salad and vegetables every day for breakfast. So I'm going to give you a few ideas how you too could incorporate veggies first thing in the morning. These are the vegetables that I'm going to be using in my vegetables for breakfast. Now they're much larger than what I want them to be with my rice, so as they're cooking I will be chopping them. As you can see, they're still frozen. So you can hear the sizzle, the skillet's getting hot. The vegetables are getting soft enough to cut. I'm going to let these vegetables get fully thawed and cooked before I add my rice and seasoning. I did not add salt to this because I'm seasoning it with miso, and miso is a paste that is fermented. I also put a squeeze of minced garlic in there. I need a little bit of water. I want to get the miso broken up. Now I'm adding a scoop of rice. This is not going to be a recipe with measured out quantities. You can see the process and just take a guess from there for your own liking. Keep it on the burner until it's fully heated. If you want your rice browned a little bit, just keep it on. So I've plated our vegetables and rice, and if you don't happen to have miso, you could certainly use soy sauce or another type of seasoning that you like. I like the flavor of the miso and the vegetables. This is a great warm breakfast, and you're starting the day with veggies. Hey, I'm back. I had another last minute thought. This could become a delicious soup also. I just added some vegan bouillon to it. Join us next week.